Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Tuesday, June 10th. What kind of day was it? Well, it was a day we had to deal with our sleepwalking chairman, Mr. Bernanke, mentioning last night in his speech that he's thinking about raising rates because of inflation. I don't get this guy. Here's a guy 7 months ago was in front of Congress, and he told Congress that there was no recession on the horizon, that the economy's fine, no slowdown, growth, no problem. 2 weeks later, he's slashing rates by 75 basis points, and he cut rates at every meeting another 50 basis points, all the way up to about a month ago when he just lowered them by 25 basis points. Now, he just finished lowering them 25 basis points a month or so ago, and now he's talking about raising them? What's with this guy? The reason why we've got unstable markets is we've got an unstable Fed chairman. The guy is asleep. Anyway, I don't like him. Can you tell? All right. Anyway, in spite of him, the markets didn't totally crash, but they're certainly not looking good. The Nasdaq and the Qs held on to their support area, but I'm not sure how much longer that's going to last. I'm starting to find more and more stocks that are qualifying for shorts. The market's just starting to look like it's rolling over every day, a little more. But we'll take a look at the indexes in our final segment, and we'll see what's going to happen next. I've got an idea for you tomorrow. It's another short, JBL. And in just a moment, we'll take a look at the chart, and I'll show you exactly how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of JBL. I'm zoomed out. I just want to give you the whole picture here. I'll zoom in a minute. This is a call on the short side. We're looking to sell the stock short around $14.10. That's exactly where it closed. Up a nickel or down a nickel from that price is good. My target is 11 down here. Let me zoom in now and I'll give you some particulars. First of all, it's in a big resistance spot right there. This whole area right here is a pretty big resistance area. And you can see it got there. It's up from 9, so it's already had a pretty good rally. And now I see it rolling over. This is the beginning of what I call another descending triangle. You people may call it a flag. I don't see it that way. I see it as the beginning of a descending triangle. So if you think it's a flag, then you want to put a buy stop in here somewhere around 1470 if it comes through the top side. I don't think it's a flag. But I know I'll get some emails saying, oh, it looks like a flag to me. You don't know if they're flags or not until they actually come out the other end. So until it comes out the other end, it's not a flag. It's a descending triangle. There's no other way around this. We've got to wait to see. And I say it's a descending triangle. Anyway, let me recap this. This is JBL. This is a call on the short side. And I think we can make $3 on this trade. Now let's take a look at our major indexes, because I didn't buy or sell. I didn't cover any shorts. And I didn't sell any longs. So we're going to take a look at the major indexes. First, we're going to look at the Dow. Not much change in the Dow. This is our first resistance area. You can see it didn't even quite get there. But that's a resistance. And then the next resistance is right here on top of it. So the Dow would have to do a lot of work to get through all of that. What still makes sense to us is the testing of the lows down here. As of right now, that's the way it looks. The transportation average, our key spot right here. This is our key spot. If this gets taken out on the downside, then this whole pattern is rolling over. But until that happens, you still have to consider this an up chart. So we'll keep an eye on that. There's a lot of mixed signals going on in the market, this being one of them. Take a look at the SPY, which represents the Standard & Poor's 500. This is our resistance right here. As you can see, it didn't get through. Actually closed down 68 cents today. And we think this target down here is what makes sense also, as of right now. QQQQs, this is our key support area. We got to it yesterday. We kind of tested it this morning, held on, tried to rally, gave the rally back. It tried to rally again. It gave the rally back. It really had a very difficult time trying to decide what it wanted to do. So the question still remains: is it going to break out on the downside, or is it going to break out on the upside? I don't know. Judging from the number of shorts that I'm starting to see show up, my guess is it's going to break out on the downside, but we're going to have to wait and see until it does it. Okay, that's it. That's my view of our sleepwalking chairman and my view of the market. Till tomorrow, this is TK signing off.